Hi everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today I'm coming to you from Gantry Plaza State Park in New York City. This park, located in Long Island City, Queens, New York, has amazing views of the New York City skyline, and the best of all, it's free. Now come check it out with me. Getting here is super easy. You just take the 7 train, one stop from Grand Central to Vernon Boulevard, and then you walk 2 blocks to the park. Another super fun way to get here is to take the New York City Ferry. You can take it from 34th Street, downtown, Roosevelt Island, and Astoria. Here's the iconic Pepsi sign. What I love about the Gantry Plaza State Park is that there's so many benches and places for you to lounge around, relax, and enjoy the day. Here at the park, they also have a really cool building, which is a public library. This place is super popular to take pictures like wedding, anniversary, engagement, sweet 16. Actually, my husband and I did our wedding pictures here. If you get hungry and you did not bring your own picnic, don't worry. There are many food trucks that park here daily. There are plenty of options to pick from. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I upload videos every week. What I love about this park is that there are tons of little nooks if you want to read a book or just be in peace. They do have a couple of playgrounds for kids, and then they have this big lawn area where they do daily events like yoga, Zumba, movie in the park, and concerts. If you get thirsty for an adult beverage, don't worry, you can buy some here. The New York City Ferry has two stops. This one, Hunters Point South, and the one by the Pepsi sign shown earlier, Long Island City. Now, if you're in the mood to play some beach volleyball, this is the place. If you keep walking past the beach volleyball and the New York City Ferry, you'll find my favorite spot in the park. This place is super secluded, not a lot of people know it, and it has stunning views of Midtown, New York City. It's really hard to find green space in New York City. However, they did a great job of doing trail paths.